What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Froggy Style. So I had some interesting things happen to me this morning. I tried to go out on Marlton Lakes and make a video for today's for today's adventure, and yeah, well, here, roll the clip. No, Billy.
What's up, Jeffrey?
How long you been there?
Got here.
Did you throw something in, or is there a big fish back there?
I don't know. Got your beach tag, right? I guess your guest tag for you.
Yeah, man. I always got one.
I don't know about that. I
Dude,
don't do that.
you really want me to paddle over there and get it?
No, I'm going to have to ask you to leave if you don't have a guest tag. And fun, too.
I'll leave just for you, Billy.
Well, serve me right, Jeff. I mean, if everybody did what you're doing, why live in a private lake community, dude?
Dude, I can just walk across the street and grab the tag, like, because I've been fishing here for probably longer than you. Not a picture, dude. What are you talking about?
You said the last time I asked you, all I'll take pictures in my car.
I'll make sure I got a tag next time, alright?
Your driver's license should be the one that you got.
I'll make sure it's clipped to my shirt next time I'm here.
Where's the fish license, man?
It's friggin' right on my bag, dude.
Oh. Yeah, well, that too. Every time. If you don't have it, you have to leave.
Yeah, I'm leaving right now. Like I said, it's in my car. But if I paddle all the way up there, I'm not gonna paddle all the way back out here. Yeah, so as you can see, I was ejected by a so-called friend, actually. Yeah, so I've known this guy for about 5 years now. I've been fishing that lake for about 2.5 years. And honestly, I have, look at my playlist, over 30 plus videos on Marlton Lakes. And normally I have a beach tag. And that one particular day, I did not ask the person I normally ask, who literally lives right across the street, which I called on paddling on my way back. And unfortunately, he got back to me the moment I was strapping my kayak onto my roof. Too late now, bud. Over here getting kicked out by the beach police. I swear to God, dude, he literally followed me through the woods and caught up to me on a trail, then followed me back to the beach and kicked me off. Pajama Pants. I swear to God, he's literally sitting here staring at me, packing my kayak on my car. I'm over it now. My kayak's already on my car. Yeah, I'm over it. I'm just gonna leave. I'm already packed up. That's alright. I'll let you know before I come next time. Alright, bye. So, needless to say, we had to seek a new place to fish. So I am actually out here. Some of you could probably already tell where I'm at Kirby's Mill. And this is a beautiful fall day. It's actually kind of hot out, and it's looking juicy back there. I have never fished this topside before on a watercraft. I've fished it right here on the bank. Matter of fact, I got a video of me scratching my ass right here one day. And yeah, so we're gonna throw the boat in and try to catch some fish, because I already fished at Marlton for about 2 hours before that creep crawled through the woods and found me. Really freaky, man. He scared the shit out of me. I thought it was a serial killer. He's just crouched back there like Michael Myers, just staring at me, waiting for me to turn around the whole time. It was really freaky, honestly. So anyway, let's quit the yapping and get to yakking. Alright, so somehow we gotta get this thing into the water. Because I'm just gonna have to drag it down these steps. Come on, baby. Alright. Is it gonna stay? Don't you move, we gotta load you up. Nice. Let's get him. Oh, come on, he bit me right off. Oh, what? He didn't get hooked? He didn't get hooked. Unbelievable. That was a big fish.